Hello students, welcome to Evergreen e-learning app. Today we will learn about how widely we can use Microsoft Word to create good looking publishing projects. So today we will learn how we can create an attractive advertisement poster in MS Word. So let's get started. We have to create a document by selecting this blank document. The first step is to insert a shape. Select this option, New Drawing Canvas. These 8 handles are transform handles. I can stretch it or squeeze it according to my document. So, to move it freely on my document, I will select the right button of my mouse on this canvas and will select more layout options. Then text wrapping, I will select in front of text option. This option will enable me to move my canvas freely on my document. Yes. So, my second step is to give the outline to my canvas. For that, again I have to right click on my canvas. This list will be up here. Click the last one, Format Drawing Canvas. I want to give my canvas a very decent and subtle look, so I will choose this light blue color. In the line option, this is solid line. I can change the width. There are many other options. You can play with it. After making this canvas is to make my header. For that, I have to click Insert menu from the menu bar and select Shapes option. So this is my header. Okay, I don't want to give it a line. And I want to change its color to something like this. Yeah. I can make it more dark even. This is perfect.
Evergreen launches CBSE 100% Success Question Bank for Class 10. Order online on evergreenpublications.in.
Now, to add text, I will right click on my header and then select Add Text. I can give it shadow also. So this is text effect. From here I can add shadow on my text, reflection, glow, bevel, 3D rotation, transform, anything. Now I am using shadow option. Now I will write Brain Quest. To give my text transformation, I will select Text Effects option and then select Transform option. And this. The next step is to add some graphics on my canvas. For that, I will go on Insert menu and will select Online Pictures. This is same as inserting clip art. I can copy this image by pressing Ctrl button and then drag the picture, or just by selecting the picture and hit copy button and then paste. You can transform it or rotate it by just dragging this point. After that, my next step is to add table on my canvas. For that, I can add my text box by clicking on text box button and then select draw text box. So this is my text box. Here I can insert my table. 2 columns and 3 rows table. I can hide this fill and outline of this text box by selecting no fill and no line option. To merge these two cells, I will select both of these cells. Then we'll go to layout option and we'll click this option merge cells. Now see, these both cells are now merged. Now I can write test. My table is done.
Evergreen Self-Study, a trustworthy student companion. Order online on evergreenpublications.in.
Now next step is to insert the text box. For that, I have to again click on insert option from the menu bar and then click on shape. And now I can add text in it by adding text box. To make this box more attractive, go to this option, effect, just select it. If you want to give it reflection or shadow, you can select according to your choice. The next thing you can do by adding shadow. This is all customizable. After this, the next step is to add the address. For that, go to your text box option and click draw text box. Make a text box and write down the address. For example, there are many options. You can remove extra space or add. I have to select this shape option, now fill, and no line. Text, solid. Color, black. I again choose text box option and I will add draw text box. Make it center. Again, I can remove the line and fill. So look, the last part of my poster is to insert logo. For that, I will go to the insert option, then select picture option. I will select this. You can insert any picture, any logo of yours. Now you can make your own poster at home by just using these simple and very easy steps. Thank you so much for active learning and hands-on session on poster making using MS Word. Stay tuned for further exciting and project-oriented video on MS Word Advanced, where we will learn how to make certificate using MS Word.